24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman Publishers. As we know, there are 4 basic skills for learning any language. These are listening, speaking, reading, and writing. This informative video focuses on these skills so that children get maximum exposure, which will help them to become proficient learners in future. Listening and speaking activities. Say Assalamu alaikum and good morning to the children. Encourage them to greet you back. Discuss the importance of taking turns. Ask the children to take turns and discuss how we can take care of our health. Afterwards, appreciate them on taking turns. Now, show the picture of an orange and ask the children if they know what it is. What is its color? Do they know its name? Some of them may answer correctly. Encourage them. Then tell the whole class that it is the picture of a fruit. Its color is orange and its name is orange. Now ask the children if they can tell about the taste of an orange. You may get mixed responses. Tell them that oranges are sweet and sour. Now show to the class a picture of an ox and frame the questions like you have asked about the orange. During this, if the children give you a wrong answer, just correct them and treat them kindly. Recognition of letter O and related vocabulary activity. Tell the children that today they will recognize the letter O, learn its related vocabulary, and trace the small letter O with correct formation. Start the lesson by singing the following song with the children.
Orange, 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 soft and pulpy orange, sweet orange, sour orange, round and yummy orange, filled with pulp that's sweet and sour, good for the heart and eyes of yours. Don't throw the peel into the bin. Orange peel is a good medicine. Orange, 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 soft and pulpy orange.
Write the letter O on the writing board. Tell the children that this is small letter O and it says O. Say the sound of the letter O. Introduce the vocabulary with the help of the book. Show pictures and say words with their initial sound. O, orange. O, orange. O, orange. O, orange. Repeat at least 3 times. Ask the children to repeat after you. Involve the class in this process. Formation of letter O activity. First of all, get attention of the children. Encourage them to sit up straight and not bend their backs. Draw 4 lines on the writing board. Write the letter O on the middle lines and give instructions. Start below the middle line, second line. Circle back to left all the way around and touch the starting point. Ask them to open their textbook and trace the letter O with the help of dots and arrows. Encourage them to trace the letter O in the air or on their desks or on their hands with the help of index finger. Write some jumbled letters on the writing board and ask the children to recognize O. Reinforcement worksheet of the letter O can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.